about a commercial.
Yeah, the paperwork on these things is, kind of brutal.
Another one after, man, I've been doing this since last night.
Yeah.
One after another.
I probably spent all of December working with Steve.
Hey, guess what? When I finished doing all my paperwork, I'm at 3 digits the first week of the year.
What does that mean?
Unaccording commission.
Okay, that's pretty good time. That's pretty good. Did you sell, what did you sell?
Blow me away.
How's that 975 house you got? How's that doing?
Oh, that fell out. I do that. No, it's,
How's your land? I don't know, I thought you had a good piece of land or something. What are you selling?
I got one in Esmer on the golf course right over here. I got another one on the golf course yesterday. And that's what I already looked at it last night.
Well, what are these?
Hour after I
What
listed it.
are these? What did you sell for this first week? They were talking.
It just sold, I have a contract over right this month.
But no. You said you're getting 100 grand in commissions.
I'm not telling you.
Okay. Oh, you're getting checks. You're gonna walk over there and get checks this week.
Yeah, but not, no. I'm closing. I've got listings.
Okay, brother.
But, no, listen.
When you say, when you talk commission, that means there's a check.
I say it, that means it's real. The 901, the shit like that, I know that shit. I wouldn't even call that shit.
Talk about those. This I was gonna waste your time. If I was gonna waste your time with all of my deals that I
No.
get, are listed.
Between you and me,
Yeah.
because you're at a different level than everybody else.
I just don't do that.
I'm telling you, it's been unbelievably great.
Yes, it has. But when you say, like, here's what I would, like, when people say commission, that means there's, we shouldn't say, we don't wanna talk about commission.
I'll show you next month.
We don't
I'll show
wanna-
you checks next month.
But no, here's what you wanna do, You wanna say, dang, I got 3 listings. That's what you got, which is great.
No. I only got 2 listings.
Okay, well, what are they?
All new construction sold.
Those are, okay, so those are
Except
buyers.
for one that I just sold inventory.
You buy my man, okay, that's not a listing, it's a buyer, right?
Yeah.
So you got 2 buyers?
I
That's
got
very
one,
I don't know what I'm doing.
2,